Hello everyone, I'm back and today we are going to open Alfawise U30 and we are going to see what is inside this box. But before I continue, I would like to tell you one thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the box that I get and right now I'm opening it, so I didn't open it before. So I will see first time, as you see, what is inside this box. We have little bit of filament comes with it, and this is the USB reader and micro SD card coming with. This is a manual for how to assemble it, and I will also make an how to assemble video for this one too. Don't worry about it. And in here we have the aluminum profiles. In here we have the power cord and some zip ties. This is the heated bed assembly, and we have the screen over here. We have the filament holder right comes out of here. Over here we have the belt and the carriage of the x-axis. And when I remove this, I got the z-axis motor, as you can see. And when we look more, over here we have the z-axis limit switch, the Allen wrenches, another wrench, and z-axis coupler. And some other screws and nuts, and the edge of the z-belt holder, other screws. We have more screws, and then we have the bed holder springs and the nuts, and that's what comes out from this hole over here. Right now what I'm going to do is to lift the main body. It comes as a big block, and extruder is just like hanging from the side, so I have the extruder in my hand and connected to this bottom section. Over here we have the extruder motor, filament detector, and the x-axis motor connected as a one big solid block. So this is a really important piece, as you see. And on the left hand side of the section we have the lid screw. Moreover, we have the thick aluminum profiles as well. As you can see, all the parts to assemble Alfawise U30 is on my desk. It seems like it's going to be fairly easier than assembling the Creality and their tray. So this is a really nice printer as far as I can see with the parts, and let's see how we are going to assemble them in the next video. Click the link down below and start assembling your 3D printer as soon as possible. I am so excited to start my very own first print with this 3D printer, and we will see how it's going to turn out. For $180-ish, this is a really high quality parts, and I'm really excited to see how it's going to end up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.